Hey everyone, it's your girl Leila. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, so today I have a DH fall, winter, I guess it's mostly winter haul for you guys today. So I'm very excited to film this video finally. I've been waiting excitedly for all these pieces. So before we get into this video, I need to say something. I film these videos, you know, every couple months or so, but you guys always have questions and some of you get low-key really upset with me for not posting the links here on YouTube. I can't post links here on YouTube. You might be new here because I had issues in the past where videos got taken down. I didn't even post the links. Videos got taken down. My channel almost got taken down. So I'm not doing that. There is ways that you can reach out to me and ask me for things, and you can go ahead and do that by following me on Instagram, checking out my IG bio. If you still need help, you can DM me. A lot of people DM me as well, just like asking questions on certain pieces and all that. So you can go ahead and do that, or you can check out my Twitter or X pinned tweet, and I promise you all the questions that you may have is there. Hint, hint, wink, wink. This is that type of video. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm not trying to be like annoying or a hard ass or anything like that, but if you constantly get the same questions over and over again, and I say this like in all of my DH haul videos, I say it at the very beginning where you can, you know, ask me questions and stuff like that, and I just keep getting the same thing over and over again. So yeah, that is where you can reach out to me. I also have a Patreon page dedicated to DH 24/7, DH, private seller, all that is all on my Patreon. There is a free trial going on right now, so if you are interested in checking me out on Patreon, there is a 7-day free trial going on right now. So I have that all in the description box below if you are interested. So let's get right into this. I don't know what to start off with. Also, Patreon saw all these pieces first, by the way. They did. So if you're not subscribed to me on Patreon, you're really missing out on seeing things right when I get them. When I say that this is a very exciting video, it's a very exciting video because a lot of the things in here are stuff that I have wanted for a really long time, that has been on my wish list for a really long time. So let's get started with shoes, okay? Because I haven't actually shown shoes in a while. I think the last time I shown shoes, like, that was back in the beginning of the year, and I wear those shoes to death still. So all shoes from DH that I've tried for the most part have been really good. So these are this brand right here, and I got my true size. I'm a 6.5, which translates to 37 euro if you guys were wondering, and there is like a label right there with the size and all that. And if you haven't guessed from the photo there, these are the Taz or Tasm, what are they called? Tasm slippers. So they come just like this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear these. I'm okay with the weather being how it is right now. It's kind of cold some days and it's kind of warm some other days and whatever. It's like, if you've ever been to Canada in the fall, you guys know, like in the morning, it's like really cold and chilly. It's like, well, it's not really cold, but it's like -1. Then as the day proceeds and stuff, it can get up to like 17 degrees. So it can get really warm. So these are just not for the current fall season, but I will be using these when it gets a little bit colder into the winter months and all that. If it stays fairly like snow free here, I will be wearing these because I cannot wear these obviously when there's a ton of snow on the ground, but I do see myself getting a lot of use out of these. So these come in so many different colors, and I picked the kind of like light brown with the red trimming, or like the burgundy trimming. But yeah, these come in so many different colors. This color scheme is not for you, then it does come in more neutral shades as well, but they just look so comfortable. I wasn't sure about these at first when I first saw them, but these have gone viral and I feel like everyone is like obsessed with these shoes. There's different versions of this now. Amazon carries one and a bunch of the shoe stores around me just carries like no-name brand ones, but this style is really in. So this is what the bottom part looks like. It just has the sun design right there. And the best part of these is the interior. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, but those are gonna keep its shape, so I might actually store it with these in there for now, just until I start getting to wear them. But the fur on the interior is so nice. I love it when shoes are just comfortable and they have like furry interiors and stuff like that for the winter. I cannot wait to wear these. So these are what they look like. I did try these on when I filmed my Patreon unboxing for these, and they do fit me. But like with all of these brand shoes, you kind of have to break them in. You have to wear them for a bit because they kind of mold and conform to the way your foot is. So right now they are a bit snug on me. I think especially right here where it doesn't completely cover my ankle, but I have faith and I know that these are going to fit me eventually. Do not size up if you're getting these, I've heard. That is the Taz slipper. Okay, so next up, this is a wallet, and I got this for Andy. I was requested so long ago to do more like men's luxury item reviews and all that stuff, like ages ago when I used to do this content a lot on my channel. I never really got anything for him other than like one pair of sneakers. So I finally got him a wallet, and this is what it looks like. He needed a new wallet, so I got this for him. So it does have its own dust bag and all that, care booklet, and I love the box. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. I did put everything back like the way it came, by the way. Like I said, I did unbox all of these things for Patreon, but I put it back to film this video. Okay, it comes packaged like this, very securely in this paper. That, and then it's this right here. It's in that graphite print, which is really nice. And if you can tell from the border, it does have this beautiful cobalt blue interior. So if you are looking for a Christmas gift for someone in your life, then I highly recommend checking this out because it's gonna be a great Christmas gift. So this is what the inside of the wallet looks like. And it does come tag. This is the card holder portion right here, which is really cool. I believe that this comes in women's as well. So if you are looking at this wallet and you're like, I want one like that, I believe it does come in a women's version. So yeah, there is a women's version of this for sure. I've seen it. And then you have a 3-card holder right there, as well as a back compartment over here for your cards and another back compartment over here behind the card holder. So you have a lot of space for your cards and stuff like that. And then the back part right here is where your cash and all that goes. So that is what the wallet looks like. It doesn't have any like zippers or like a closure. I feel like that is super common with men's wallets. It never really comes with a clasp or anything. But yeah, overall this is really nice. I love the quality on this one and I love the colors. I was gonna wait and give Andy this for like his birthday gift or like Christmas gift or something like that, but he needs a new wallet like right now. Like he needed one yesterday, but I had to film this video. So that is the wallet. Very nice. I really like the quality on that one. I don't see any differences between the men's version and the women's version. I think the quality and stuff is pretty much the same. Okay, so getting back into winter theme. I saw this in the beginning of the year and I was gonna buy it. But then I thought twice about it. I'm like, do I really want to spend that much on a hat? No. I was like, I'm gonna find it on DH sometime, somewhere. I'm gonna find this hat. It's right here. Okay, I am so excited for this. I am so excited to wear this in the wintertime. Okay, go on my Instagram and follow me because you will see this hat I don't know how many times. You're gonna get sick of seeing this hat, but I'm gonna be wearing this a lot this winter on my winter hikes. I know like when I get nicer things like this, I'm like, I don't really wanna wear it on a winter hike, but I mean, as long as I don't lose it and I keep it on my head and I can wash it and stuff like that, then that's fine. I am gonna be wearing this in the winter time. Okay, so let's take this out. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, I saw this on a Facebook ad. Honestly, that's where I first saw it, on a Facebook ad. And I think it was like ridiculously expensive. I think this was like $800 or more. I don't even know, but I was determined to find this on Dhgate, and I didn't actually find it on Dhgate. I asked my favorite seller, I was like, do you have this? I really want it. And she had it. So it worked out. Sometimes if you are looking for a specific item, you can DM the seller and ask them like, do you have this? 9 times out of 10, if they carry that brand, they might actually have it. So this does come with, you know, the inner tag and all of that. But this feels like it's gonna be super warm. Like it is a very, very thick, we call these toques in Canada. It's a very, very thick toque. I honestly cannot wait to wear this on the trails. You will see this on my IG, I promise you. So it's so cute, I absolutely love it. And then one last thing, this video is so exciting, you guys. I've shown you like stuff that I don't normally show you. I've shown you shoes, I've shown you like a men's wallet, and I've shown you a hat. Like I don't really go out of my way to get these things. I usually get like purses and stuff like that, but I'm hoping you guys like it too. I think that accessorizing an outfit and stuff can be just as important as your purse. So the very last piece in this video, it had to be a purse. It really did. It had to be a purse. Oh my gosh, it's right here. Okay, so this has been on my wish list ever since I got this bag back in January or February. My very, very first DH haul of 2024, I showed you guys the taupe version of this. Now this is in numero Deets. That is the style of this bag. And I did, you know, kind of unbox it a little bit. I did take off some of the styrofoam and all that. This was covered in styrofoam, okay? I still have the styrofoam and stuff in front of me right here, so I can tell you that this was packaged really well. It came in a bag as well, like just a plain bag, a styrofoam piece, and it had this covering all of the, you know, logos and stuff like that. So it was very, very securely packaged. Now, this is what the numero Deets bag looks like. So it is such a beautiful bag. Honestly, like I love my taupe one. It's one of my favorite bags, but I did want it in black as well because I feel like black is just classic. It goes with everything. And if I'm, you know, having a day where I don't really feel like wearing taupe, or if it doesn't really go with my outfit, I want to have options and I want to have it in black. And like I said, this is one of my favorite bag styles of all time. This is such a well-made bag too. Like I love it. That is what the logo looks like. It's very like minimalistic and cute. So if you're not big into like having flashy logos on your purses, then this is the perfect brand for you. So it does have the whole tag situation going on right here, as well as a leather sample. And ooh, I'm like trying to look through the viewfinder. Okay, so there's a leather sample right here. So you can actually feel how good quality and how nice and soft the leather is. And then of course that is the tag right there. And it tells you that it's made out of 100% velvet microfiber and full grain Italian calf skin. So it is very good quality. The one that I've had since January, I haven't like scuffed it up or anything like that. It is a really, really good quality purse, and I did end up traveling with it. So it did get a little bit wrinkled, but I used a hair dryer and I got all those wrinkles out. So overall the quality of the leather and everything on this bag is really good. So I did restuff it. So when I store this, by the way, I do like to keep it stuffed. And then I'm gonna show you guys the interior because the interior is really nice. So that is the interior of the bag. It just looks bougie. It actually does really look bougie. And then there is a pocket right here. There's just one pocket on the interior. It's perfect for like a lip gloss or something like that. And I love that this bag actually fits my phone. So it does fit all of my essentials, and I can be completely hands-free when I carry this because I can just put my phone in here. And it does come with an extra strap. I don't know what this is for. I've never actually used my other one on my other bag. I don't use this one, but it does come with an extra strap if you guys were curious. And I usually just keep that stuffed in the dust bag when I store it. So I like to carry this one. I don't like to shorten the straps or anything. I like to carry it as is. Excuse the fact that I'm in PJs right now, but I'm like every YouTuber when it comes to filming. I'm all about comfort. So this is what the bag looks like on me. This is how I would carry it normally. You can, you know, shorten the straps and carry it further up, but I like where it sits on me actually. I think it's perfect. So that is about it for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And like I mentioned earlier, if you guys are not subscribed to my Patreon, definitely check it out if you do like to have this type of content 24/7. And if you do have any questions on any of the pieces, message me on Instagram. And that is all for this one. I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.